Have you ever thought about adding pronouns to your Twitch chat and knowing what other people identify as? Well, now you can do it. There's a really simple plugin that you can install and have the pronouns by your name and have everyone else's pronouns as well to see what they identify as and what pronouns you can use for them. So how do you actually set it up? It's really simple. But before that, if you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch every single day except Sundays. Link is down in the description below. I stream every single day except Sundays, and I would love to see you there. So how do we set up this plugin and how does it work? First things first, I actually made a video about Better TTV, Franker Phase, and 7TV plugins, which are like crucial for Twitch. Everyone should use them. It adds a lot of emotes and a lot of different functionality to Twitch and just makes it overall a better platform. So we will actually be using one of these plugins. It's called Franker Phase Z. I will link it down in the description below. All you have to do is install it, and then you will set up some settings that I'll show right now. So in order for you to download Franker Phase Z, as I already said, I made a video about this, but I'll go quickly over it. All you have to do is click download for Google Chrome. It's going to open the Chrome page where you just install the plugin, and then that is pretty much it. Then what you will have to do is go to your Twitch page. You can go to whatever, and then in the bottom right, you'll see chat settings over here, the cogwheel. Click the cogwheel. You're gonna go down to the switch non-mod settings if you are a mod in the channel. If you're not, then you won't even see this, but you will see the Franker Phase Z control panel. So all you have to do is click on this one. It opens the control panel. You see a lot of different stuff, and you're gonna be like, wow, this is a lot of stuff, and I don't know what the hell's what. So you're gonna have to click on add-ons over here on this small button. Click on add-ons. It's going to open up a lot of different stuff. We also talked about this in other videos, but you'll have to scroll down just a little bit until you find pronouns, which are right over here. So you'll see the plugin or an add-on on top of Franker Phase Z called pronouns. So all you have to do is click on enable, which for me it says disable because I have it downloaded already. Like this, just click enable. It will install it, and then you click on website, and then it will basically load the pronouns website, which is the pronouns.alejo.io. I probably said it wrong. I'm not sure. You have to click on login with Twitch. You have to log in. That way it actually registers to your Twitch name. You'll click on login. It's going to ask you if this is you. Yeah, it is. Authorize. That's fine. And then you will see it load up and show me what pronouns I want to use. I want to use he, him. But if you identify something else, you can choose whatever you want over here. So whatever you want to choose, you choose that, click submit. You will have to wait a little bit, like a few minutes, maybe up to 30 to an hour, and then it will show up in the chat. I know it's a bit delayed, but it will work. Once you do that, you will be able to see everyone's pronouns in every Twitch chat if they have the same plugin enabled. So if you want to tell your viewers to enable the plugin and write it down, you can do that, or you can just use it as a viewer as well. And if you find a streamer that has the same plugin, or just viewers in that stream that have the same plugin, you will see their pronouns by their name. So for example, if I want to test it, I can type 123, and you will see the pronoun right over here by my name. So whatever I type, it will show up right here as well, as you can see. So if you want to change it, you can see I have it blue. For you, it's going to be defaulted to black. You can click on settings over here, and then you can basically choose whatever color you want for whatever pronoun. If you want to choose some specific ones, if you want to change it up, I have like light-ish blue for he, him, and I have she, her, like a bit pinkish. So I can, just change it up and see who is who. You can mess it up, whatever. You can customize it to whatever you prefer and whatever is going to work for you, basically. But this is what I like. This is what I prefer. And again, you can do whatever you want, whatever color, and then you will just save it, or it saves automatically. Click on exit, and that is pretty much all you do. And that's how you have the pronoun plugin on Twitch. Hope this video helped you. It's really short and simple. Like I said, all you have to do is download Franker Phase Z, install the add-on to it, and then set it up. It takes no longer than like a minute or two. If you did like this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know down in the comments below if you have any issues or you just have any questions. Make sure to post them down. And if you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch every single day except Sundays. Link is also down in the description below. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.